Jessica! Jessica! Don't you at least have the decency to say goodbye? After all, Jess, you're still my friend.
Correction, I was your friend.
Jessica, hindi lang akong may kasalanan sa lahat ng nangyari. Ikaw, si Rafi, si Walter.
Nadinig ko yata pangalan ko.
Bakit ganun, Daddy? Dumarating sa yung kaibigan mo. Pagkatapos mawawala. Masasaktan ka. Dumarating sa yung mahal mo sa buhay. Pagkatapos mawawala rin. Masasaktan ka ulit. I admit, Dad, ginamit ko lang si Walter para makaganti ako kay Rafi. At pumayag din ako magpagamit sa kanya para makaganti siya kay Jessica.
Doon kayo nagkamali. You see, people are meant to be loved, not used. Especially when they're friends.
I realize that now, Dad. And I'm so sorry it had to happen. I love them all. We love each other so much. But somehow, we just ended up hurting one another. Dad, does falling in love mean getting hurt too?
Love is a pain that is not easy to avoid. It is ecstasy and agony. It's pleasure, and then pain, and then pleasure again. Paikot-ikot lang yung dalawang yan tulad ng araw. Sisikat sa umaga, lulubog sa gabi.
Ano bang dapat kong gawin ngayon, Dad?
Sabi mo, nagmamahalan kayo. All right, pick it up from there. Talk it over among yourselves. Be humble, yet be big enough to admit your own faults. Right? I'm sure by now, you know whom you truly love and whom you love as a friend.
And then, what?
Huwag mong ituro ang daan sa pag-ibig. Kung yan ay talagang ukol sa'yo, yan ang magtuturo ng daan. Kaya ba?
Thank you very much.
Well,
oh, I think you do.
well, you think you deserve it. I think I deserve it.
Jessica! Jessica! Don't you at least have the decency to say goodbye? After all, Jess, you're still my friend.
Correction, I was your friend.
Jessica, hindi lang akong may kasalanan sa lahat ng nangyari. Ikaw, si Rafi, si Walter.
Nadinig ko yata pangalan ko. Sabi ko, nadinig ko yata pangalan ko.
Sarah, she's... Please stop him.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Andrew! Rafi! 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 Rafi? Are you okay? Hayop ka! Papatay mo ba si Rafi?
Siya ang animal. Si Walter ang kanyang papatayin. How dare you do this to my boyfriend?
Boyfriend? He's my boyfriend!
Rafi!
Walter!
Rafi, are you okay?
Walter!
Rafi? Rafi, are you okay? Huh? Rafi, alika na, let's go. Are you hurt? Come on, let's go. Saan? Water! What? Diyan mo ba yan? Dapat run!
Do you take Andrew here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Hindi ba tayo pupunta sa reception?
Sandaling-sandali na lang, sweetheart, ha? Anong shh?